Now that your R2D3 and local access network have been set up, let's connect it using your computer. First, we'll go into our network selection and choose the TP link, which is called R2D3 Wi-Fi as a default. We will enter the password, which by default should also be R2D3, and then the numerical part of the address where the controller is being installed. In this case, the address is 12885 Northwest Morgan, so we'll use R2D3 12885. And we'll join here. Once we see that our connection is secure, which we can here, we can open up a Google Chrome browser and enter the IP address as follows: 192.168.0.8. This will give us access to the R2D3. After the network has been set up, you can log in here to access the R2D3 controls. Our username is EcoSmart and our password is 12885, as our address is 12885 Southwest Morgan. Your username and password will be provided by a Sunscape representative and consists of the email of the cultivation manager of the site and the password, which will be the numbered part of the address of the installation location. In our case, it is 12885. Once logged in, you will see the following screen. It consists of your room environmentals in the center, your grow cycle on the left, and the lighting output and set points down below. On the side, we are going to select our Schedules tab, which is going to bring up our flower and our veg schedules. Here, we can set our on and off times for each room. Select the room that you would like to schedule. Here, we have a default set time, and if you click on that, you have the option to change the entire series, which will update for all the dates selected, or for just that day. After selecting your on and off times, select the recurrence you would like. In this case, we have it reoccurring once a day, every day, with no end date, so it will repeat forever until you make your next update to the grow schedule. Next, we will change the light settings. To do this, we will go into the Light Controls tab under Watches, and this will bring up our lighting control page. You have the options to select between on, off, and your set schedule, the duration of your sunrise and sunset feature, as well as your blue light, set point, and ramp feature, as well as the red and orange set points and ramp feature. The ramp feature is a way to have the lights increase and decrease in power slowly rather than a sudden change in lighting intensity in your room. To return to the Overview page, select the Graphics tab and select Overview, where you can see the environmental control. Next, we will go into our Watches tab and select Dehume Control. This allows us to set our day and nighttime dehumidification points. The R2D3 is equipped with a 3-stage dehumidification control, with the ability to control up to 3 units in the room. You are able to select how many stages you have in your room here, 1 to 3, and also select where you want them on or off or on the auto setting, which will have them achieve the set point here at the top. For more content on the R2D3 with more advanced controls and features, please follow Sunscape LED on YouTube and social media.